What's up guys, it's your boy Cody back with another exciting NVX product, and today we're going to be looking at the XBBR2. This is a 2-channel line output converter equipped with adjustable parametric bass controls that you see here on the front with your wide and your sweep. Your sweep being kind of the center frequency that you're going to want to select, and then your wide being how high or how much lower, you know, kind of like a plus or minus of that frequency that you'd like to adjust. It's going to work really well more so in aftermarket applications, as the aftermarket radios don't suffer from that factory bass roll-off that you see in an OEM unit, but does still have those high level and those low level inputs, so it can be used in a aftermarket or an OEM application. In terms of some other integration, it does have the load select, so that if your head unit does require that it sees a load to turn on, so typically that load being your speakers, this will act as that load, so you can essentially trick that head unit into believing that the XBBR2 here is the speaker that it's looking for, and it'll allow it to turn on and work as intended. And speaking of turn on, it does have the 3 turn on modes that you'd expect to see, that being your DC, your remote, and your audio or your signal sensing. And then lastly, it does have kind of your ground ISO switch, which is going to be great for if you're getting any type of extra noise, maybe a bad ground or some engine noise, which is a little less uncommon, but definitely still something we look out for in the industry. That ground ISO switch is going to help you kind of isolate that ground, maybe even use the XBBR2 as the ground, and that's going to allow you to get a cleaner, crisper sound to the entirety of your system. And then kind of just a few last features here. We have the 9.5 volt RCA preamp outputs, as well as a clip indicator on the front there. And then you do have those high level and low level inputs that I spoke about before, as well as it all being packed into this nice sleek design, which is going to fit well either behind the dash or down in your footwells tucked to the side. And then you do have this really nice little bass knob here with 3M tape on both sides, so you have 3M to kind of attach it to the bracket, as well as 3M to stick it to the side of wherever you decide to put it. All in all, that's the XBBR2. It's particularly good for those aftermarket systems, but it does allow you to integrate it into a factory one as well. If you're at all interested in the XBBR2, be sure to check out the links in the description below. While you're down there, be sure to smash that like button, ring that subscription bell to keep up to date on our newest videos, and leave a comment down there for us as well. And we'll see you guys in the next one.